You know, they used to say electricity is a luxury back when I was your age. Now it's a necessity. It's impossible to not have it. So as a troubleman, we're typically the first ones to arrive to a trouble call. We'll make the situation safe for the public. At that point, we'll create the information for the crews so they know what they're getting into. It's bad right here. We'll be leaving this one, and then I've got that street light call. Yeah, Chris, let's clear 5232. This is a service dead leg to the address on the order. It's going to be this light here. So it's possible that this is where it's bad. I could resplice it out and it'll work. Yep, that was it. Got good voltage. So I've been with Edison 36 years. It's just been great. Every position I've held, I've enjoyed. One of the most rewarding things in my career is the fact that you can help people, and through mutual assistance. We went to Hurricane Sandy in New York, worked in my hometown, put the lights on for thousands of people. It's just a good feeling, but just the day in, day out of helping people, putting lights on, it's a rewarding job, it really is.